Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to make special waakye soup. I start by placing my saucepan with water on fire. Then I have these sorghum leaves here, which I'll rinse and then add it into the water. So I'll let the water boil so that the red color of the sorghum will come out. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on my video. So now the water is boiling and you can see the redness in it. So I just added my washed beans. So I'll let the beans cook for about 20 minutes before I add my rice. Waakye is a popular food in Ghana, and you can see that every morning, afternoon or evenings, people don't get fed up with eating of waakye. At the roadsides in Tamale here, you will find a lot of waakye food sellers, and they are all great to taste. But if you don't have the time to go to the roadside to buy, watching this video you can make it at home. So my waakye boiled for 20 minutes and I then added my salt and my washed rice and added some water too. So I'll cover it and allow it to cook till the water is no more there. So I then start to prepare my stew by placing my saucepan with vegetable oil. Then I add my chopped onions. Once in a while I just open to check on my waakye. So I have this fish powder here with stock cube, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt and nutmeg. I'm just going to add it directly before I add my tomato paste. See how beautiful the waakye looks? At this point, I'll turn it or flip it from both sides and then touch it to see whether it is completely cooked. After touching, I just realized that my rice was still had a bit, so I just added some small amounts of water. So now I'm going to add my tomato paste, and I'm using lazy tomato paste into my stew. I also added a little bit of chilli powder into my stew. So this is a very delicious stew which requires just few ingredients, and I bet you when you make this you won't regret and you continuously make it for your family. Waakye is so attractive and captivating, and when you eat it you drink lots and lots of water. So that is why most people don't joke with their waakye. So my stew is ready. I'll just place my frying pan just to fry some eggs to be added to our rice. The egg is fried and the waakye too is ready. It is now time to serve. So I just want to make my food presentable, so I'm using this small glass bowl just to make my waakye come out attractively. I also have my gari here, which is dried cassava that has been roasted, and I also have my salad here which I'll be adding. I know we are just going to enjoy a very good meal. And please don't be left out. Make some for yourself and your family. So see how beautiful the stew looks. and it's just so great to have this together. I hope you continue to watch videos from this channel. Enjoy your day. See you next time. Bye.